So check out these smart automatic roller shades, or also known as blackout blinds, that was sent to me to use, and I'm super excited about it. So we're going to go ahead and set this up and actually see how it works. Now, it is compatible with smart home app, Alexa, as it does come with a Wi-Fi bridge. So we're going to be able to connect that to an app and actually control these blinds. They are super easy to install. There's like no drilling or anything like that. So let's see how easy it really is. So it has a nice quick installation guide to go ahead and help you get started. It does also tell you how to change your battery, how to install the battery, and all the parts that are actually in this package. And then on this side, on down here, it tells you you can mount these shades whether within your window or on the outside. And then on this side here, it's telling you about how the motor actually works. So go ahead and roll up the blinds, and together with some more advanced settings and how you're actually going to connect it with the app. So inside here, the top part, this is the top part of the shade, you're going to see this little slide, and this is actually the battery cover. So you do want to go ahead and remove this, and then you're going to have visibility to this battery. So the battery is connected by some wires, so we do just have to plug those in. Just like that. Okay, so now this is the remote. We are going to take off this tab to go ahead and activate this remote. And then you do have these different size sort of stickers, and these are what are actually going to go on the sides for if you are doing the inside installation. And then you do have clips for if you want to do an outside window installation. So it does come with screws if it is that you do prefer to drill versus not drill and have this blind on the inside of your window. So it comes with all the instructions. Go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi bridge. This is the remote. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this and then put up the blinds and see how the automatic feature works and how dark it actually gets. This is the blackout blinds. We do have a remote control, so we can go ahead and activate it and it automatically starts to come down. This is how it looks. And as you can see, it's covering these blinds right here, so no sun can actually come inside. There is a small gap on each side, but that's okay. So you do have that remote control, so you can go ahead and either go down, pause, or go up. This is Wi-Fi enabled. And then, as I mentioned before, there is an app, so you can do this by Alexa. This is what the app, once you download the app, what it looks like, and you can go ahead and control it right here with the app itself too. So this is a cool blackout blinds that you can go ahead and just control from the other room, maybe not at home, or somewhere far, so you don't have to actually get up and pull down the blinds.